Hey there, Lala here. In case you want to wear a face shield, but maybe the baseball cap face shield tutorial I did just wasn't for you, maybe you wear glasses and you want to have a shield that attaches really easy. This is very compact, they're super comfortable, and they won't damage your glasses at all. It's really easy to take it off and on, and this same shield will work for sunglasses, safety glasses, prescription glasses, and even kids' glasses. We'll do a little preview at the end of this video, but there'll also be a link to the fun, funky designs for kids. So let me tell you what you need. Same 8.5 by 11 sheet of plastic, pair of scissors and a standard hole punch, and these hair bands. So this is a standard size hairband, and these are considerably smaller. They are for, it says no damage, fine hair. And if you use this standard size, your shield's going to be all floppy. So you need to use this smaller one. It comes off and on really easy with these, but if you don't want it to come off and on easy, like maybe you want to leave it on your safety glasses, or maybe on the kids' shields you don't want them to be able to take it off too easy, then you might want to try these poly bands. So for some reason this package of 500 assorted colors was only pennies more than this itty bitty box of 75 clear ones. And there's clear in here. Anyway, in the tutorial, we're going to do one side with these bands and the other side with this band so that you can see the difference. So let's go do that. For the eyeglass shield, whether it's for kids' glasses or adult glasses, where you punch the holes on the plastic is exactly the same, and the way it attaches to the glasses is exactly the same. The first thing you need to do is mark where your holes are going to be punched. This whole configuration is important. If it's not just like this, the shield will slide down the glasses or it won't stay at the right angle, so it needs to be just like this. So the hole that's closest to the edges is 1/2 inch down and 1/2 inch in at the center. The lower hole that's further down is 1.5 inches in and 3/4 inch down at the center of the hole. So we're going to mark that on our shield on one side. And we're just marking the crosshairs because you'll get a more accurate place to punch if you just mark that. If you mark a dot or the round circle of the holes, it won't be as accurate. So fold your plastic in half, don't crease this end, and just to make sure things stay in place, because like I said, where you punch those is important. I want to be as accurate as possible, so I'm going to put clips on this. And then we're going to punch right where the crosshairs meet. And just round out these corners. You'll probably take more off the bottom of the shield, but for now, just to make it comfortable when you try it on, keep the corners round. And those marks come right off. Alright, so we talked about the elastic band and the poly band. And we're going to do one on each side. With your glasses facing the bottom of the shield and the arms facing the holes, put the elastic band in the bottom hole first, the hole that's closest to the center of the shield, and slide the arm through. Then just poke it through the top hole. And push the arm through that. And you can see this slides on and moves really easily. I'm going to slide it back down to put the other side on. And again, bottom hole first. Fold it down to put it on. And with this band, you have to kind of hold things in place a little better. Otherwise, it'll just bounce right back. You probably need to make this big so you can get it through. And then this one slides up, and this one takes a little more pushing and scooching. And just get them in about the same place on both sides, and it's just that easy. That's nice and secure. Now to take it off, you do the same thing. Bend it down towards the bottom of the shield and just roll these to the edges of the frames. Roll that one off and scooch that one off. And that's it. So let's try this on. Feeling a Bruce Wayne Batman kind of thing going on here. Okay, thanks again, guys. Go check out the kids' fun designs.